Remio makes it very easy to share your computer screen inside the app in the presentation areas. All you need to do is follow this URL, which you can see posted in the presentation areas. And once you follow that URL, it will take you here. So first you need to choose your server. I will choose Remio. Then you need to choose the location. Anyone is fine. I will choose Titan because I'm there now. Then I click Share Screen. After I've shared the screen, I could choose individual windows or the entire screen, which I will. But don't forget to choose the audio option. So if you want computer audio, you need to click that as well. So I will click Share. And as you can see, it started to share the screen. So if you want to see this in-app, we can look right here. So it started to share the screen. All I have to do is look up. Okay, so remember, when you're finished, do stop sharing the screen and enjoy your time in Remio.